All right, today we're diving into one of the most ambitious national strategies you'll see anywhere, China's AI Plus Action Plan. Now, this isn't just another tech policy. It's a massive blueprint to inject artificial intelligence into, well, pretty much every single corner of its economy and society.
And the plan's own words really tell you everything you need to know about the scale here. Listen to this. A revolutionary leap in productivity. We're not just talking about some better software or a few new apps. No, this is a mission to fundamentally re-engineer the entire country's productive capacity. It's a huge goal.
So what exactly is this AI Plus plan? Well, think of it as a top-down national directive. That little plus sign is the key. It literally means adding a layer of artificial intelligence to everything that's already there. We're talking factories, farms, schools, hospitals, you name it. The endgame? To create what they're calling a brand new intelligent economy and society.
Okay, but a vision this massive can't just be some vague idea, right? You need a real roadmap to make it happen, and that's exactly what they've done. The plan lays out this super clear multi-stage timeline with very specific milestones to track this whole national transformation. And what's really interesting here is how they've broken it down into 3 distinct phases. Think of it like a 3-act play. By 2027, the goal is deep integration. Then, by 2030, AI needs to become a major engine for the whole economy. And by 2035, that's the finale, the full transformation into this intelligent society. It's so methodical, a real step-by-step approach.
And check this out. Here's a number that really shows you the kind of speed they're aiming for. To hit that first 2027 milestone, the target is an adoption rate of over 70% for new intelligent terminals. Now, what does that mean? Basically, things like AI assistants and automated systems. Getting that level of widespread use in just a few years, that is an absolutely massive push.
So that's the what and the when. Now let's get into the how. How are they actually going to pull this off? The whole strategy to put AI literally everywhere is broken down into these core action areas.
First up, and this is a big one, the economy. The plan is targeting a fundamental upgrade of the entire economic engine. And we're not talking about small tweaks here and there. This is about a complete overhaul, from the ground up, starting with the absolute basics, industry and agriculture.
So the goal here is to bake intelligence into every single link of the production chain. They want to foster what they call intelligent native companies. So businesses that are built on AI from day one, not just using it as some kind of add-on. You'll see AI managing everything in factories, from the initial design all the way to the supply chain. And out in the fields, we're talking smart machinery, drones, and robots handling things like crop management.
And for the service industry, the shift is pretty profound. It's moving from just being digital to becoming truly intelligent. So what's the difference? Well, it's the difference between just collecting a bunch of data and actually using that data to predict what's going to happen next. So you can think of it as moving beyond simple e-commerce to a world of personalized AI assistants and smart logistics that know what you need before you do.
But hey, this plan is way bigger than just economy. The next major piece of this puzzle is all about reshaping the very fabric of daily life. I'm talking about how people work, how they learn, even how they get their healthcare. And this is where you really see the ambition. They want to integrate AI not just as another tool, but as a genuine collaborative partner. The plan talks about whole new types of jobs built around these human-machine teams. It envisions AI tutors giving every single student a personalized education and personal health assistants on our phones helping us manage our well-being every day.
The strategy even extends to how the country itself is run and how it sees its place in the world. So at home, AI will be used to make cities smarter and help respond to things like environmental issues. But then, on the global stage, the plan is really explicit. It states a goal to position AI as an international public good and to be a key player in building the global rules for how AI is governed.
Okay, so you've got this incredibly grand vision, but you can't build a skyscraper like this without an equally massive foundation, right? So how are they planning to build the powerful engine needed to make all of this a reality? Well, the plan lays it all out in 4 critical pillars.
And it's a really clear 4-step process. Step 1, you start with the brains of the operation, the foundational AI models and tons of high-quality data. Then step 2, you need the muscle. That means innovating in AI chips and building these huge, ultra-large-scale computing centers. Step 3 is the human element. You've got to create a deep talent pool by integrating AI education at all levels. And finally, step 4, you need the rulebook, a supportive ecosystem with clear policies, laws, and ethical guidelines.
Okay, so let's zoom back out for a second.
We've gone through a ton of detail, so what's the bottom line? Why should you or I pay attention to what seems like a pretty dense policy document? What are the real big picture takeaways here?
Well, when you really boil it all down, three key things stand out. First, this is so much more than a tech policy. It's a blueprint for a complete restructuring of society and the economy. Second, it's a huge push for self-sufficiency. We're talking about building a full-stack AI ecosystem, from the chips all the way up to the apps. And third, the plan is not shy about its global ambitions. It's explicitly aiming to take a leading role in shaping how AI is governed worldwide.
And all of this leaves us with a final and pretty crucial question to think about. As China mobilizes its entire society around this AI blueprint, you have to ask, how is this going to reshape the global technological landscape? And maybe even more importantly, what does it mean for the future of international competition? It's something we'll all be watching.